Hi everyone. So this will be the new setup, I guess. It's been a long time since I created the since I created another video, and what better way to start off than to talk about one of the absolute core principles of my philosophy, which is environmental design. The best way to say this one is there was a story a long time ago that I read in a Napoleon Hill book. It might be Master Key System. No, I'm sorry, that's a different one. Anyway, it's the Master Key to Riches. I see it right there. So, in the Master Key to Riches, I believe he talks about there's this couple and they marry for money, not for love. And this guy was poor when he came to this woman, but slowly she built up his ego to the point where he built a massive empire. And in the end, the guy lived in a home where no one was allowed to play the piano except by invitation from the lord of the house. He had a giant picture of himself, and if anyone asks about the empire, he will talk about how great he is and all this amazing stuff he did. And Napoleon Hill talks about um, you know, how he was amazed that the wife was so self-effacing that she could subvert her own ego to build up this man's ego, to build this life for herself and her family. And at a later point, he talks about how if a person wants to be successful in a certain field, he'd put up posters in his room, in his office, reminders of his goals everywhere, fill his room full of books of those kinds of knowledge to get to where he's going. Environmental design. Design your environment in such a way to reinforce your goals so that it's easy. The easiest way for me to say this is make your life easy by surrounding yourself with the things you need and the reminders and the posters and the books that you need to achieve your goal. Okay, this desk here that I just put in that allows me to film this for you right now is environmental design designed to make it easy for me to make videos for you. So thanks for sticking here. I hope you have a great day.